Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas and I'm going to be doing a wandering or traveling ring pour. I did one not too long ago and it turned out really good, so I thought I would use up some of my leftover paints and do another one. So the first color that I've got, I don't have much of it, is two colors mixed together, and it's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed 50-50 with DecoArt Satin Enamel Soft Linen. And the next color I have is from Soho, and it's Alizarin Crimson. Then I have another color that, you see I still got quite a bit of that yellow, gold. It's from Liquitex, and it is iridescent bright gold mixed with the yellow medium. And then the next color is bronze, and that is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And then I have white in the bottle, which is also Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. Alright, so I'm going to get my gloves on, do a little prep work, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I got my gloves on, and I went ahead and put a thin coat of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic on the canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting my colors in the cup. All the paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I'm starting off with the linen. And then I'm going to go with the red. I don't think I use red a lot, so I thought I would try it a little bit. Let's see, and I love bronze. And this bronze was, last time I used it was a little bit thick, so I did go ahead and thin it out a little. I added a little more pouring medium to it. And now the yellow. I still think I'm gonna have a ton of this yellow left. So you'll probably see another video with the yellow, because I still have a half a cup. And this red is so pretty. All right, now I'm going to finish it off with the last of the linen. Now this is the satin enamel, so I don't know if I'll get any cloud effect. I might. So we'll see. All right, I'm going to move these out of the way here. And now I'm just going to go ahead and lift the canvas just a little bit. Those colors look really pretty. And I think I'm going to start right here. I'm going to bend it like that. All right, so here we go. Okay guys, so I'm going to take you in for a close-up. It's been about 20 minutes and these the details in this painting is so cool. These lines are so nice and defined. I love the bronze in there. Very cool. Look at that. I love that. And then all those natural cells. There's no silicone. I think I may have forgotten to say that, but I love that corner. Look at how pretty. I don't know if you can see how shiny because the bronze mixed with that red. And then I did get a little cloud effect. Some of it went over the side. No big whoop. This looks so pretty also. And in those lines, it's shiny because the bronze. And like in those little red spots, those are really shiny. I don't know if you can see, but the bronze mixed in there, so it's really cool. Alright, so super happy so far. I'm going to let it dry, and I will be back. Alright, stay tuned. Okay guys, so it's all dry. I'm going to take you in for a closer look. And I really think this one looks super cool. There's quite a bit of defined lines. I love that right there. I do love the contrast from the red and the bronze to the red and white, and then of course where it blended and made pink. I've got some cloud effect, and it almost looks like there's cells in the cloud effect. That looks so awesome. Loving that. Look at those defined lines too. That's so pretty. And then of course there's some more of that. And then I love this corner. It still is my favorite spot. And then look at that edge. It's so cool. And I just love all these natural cells. Alright, so it's all done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.